I am not one of those universal signs looking for things kind of people, you know. I don't think that the universe is giving you signs on what you should do, but I do believe in red flags. And today, obviously, I'm on the bike. I went for a little ride and I figured I'm gonna go for a little spirited ride, let's put it that way. Within the first 20 minutes of where I was going to go ride, I saw 2 Stadies, a share-up, and 6 local cruisers, a couple of which I may or may not have been speeding when I went by them, and no one pulled me over. So I took that as a, how about let's not go fast today? Maybe I've used up my luck, and I probably shouldn't go or whipping around. Today just doesn't seem like the day. You know when you go around a corner and you know you're going way too fast for the road you're on, and you, sorry, let me preface that, I may or may not have been going way too fast for the road that I was on. for legal purposes, the preface, for legal purposes, that is how it has to be said. And you go by a cop and you just look and you're like, fuck, let me just stare into my mirror and see the blue lights coming and no one does, and you're just like, oh, there's 1 strike today, and it may or may not have happened again, and you're like, well, there's my 2nd strike for the day. I don't want 3 strikes. Hell nah. So I took a nice leisurely cruise around, and now I'm on this little back road, wherever the fuck this goes, because it's fall and it's colorful, and riding season is quickly coming to an end for me. Most mornings you're getting into like high or like low 50s, high 40s, which is really just almost too cold. You know, the leather jacket does just enough to keep you warm, but like the legs are still getting cold, and it's just almost there. Squirrel! Golf courses are so very nice. Look at all the land and all the very flat road mowed grass. One of those things I was like, I'm gonna go this road I know, and I'm gonna go quick, and I'm gonna go for a rip, and it's just like cop, and I was like, maybe I shouldn't today. It just doesn't seem like a day where you should be going fast. You know, some days you can go 100 miles an hour everywhere and you never see a single cop, you never worry about it. Some days you're going like 10 miles an hour over some places and you see them everywhere, and it's like, let's just not today. Look how pretty it is here, up here in the fall though. We're kind of past the peak. You've lost all of your, most of the color on the trees is now like the yellow / dead brown. It's still like a nice 65-70 degrees out, so